show you the second exclusive for the first time. An eyewitness account. Those who saw the burning cash that day. These are NDMC workers. What did they tell our teams present on the ground? Listen in for yourself.
These people from the NDMC, they have collected burnt notes of 500 from here, and clearly you can see that they are claiming that from this particular debris area 500 burnt notes were being collected. We'll try to get more words from them. सुरेंद्र जी, यहाँ पे कितने आपको नोट मिले थे जले हुए?
20-25 नोट थे वो जले हुए थे वो
20-25 नोट थे।
हाँ।
मतलब 500 के थे, 2000 के थे?
500 के नोट।
500 के नोट?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ।
और ये किस दिन की बात है अगर बता पाए?
ये 4-5 दिन हो गए सर।
4-5 दिन पहले मिले थे।
हाँ जी।
तो आपको आइडिया है कि इसी मकान से आए?
नहीं सर, इतना आइडिया हम भी बता सकते हैं। क्योंकि ऐसा कूड़ा तो कहीं से भी आ सकता है। कूड़ा कहीं से भी आ सकता है।
तो 20-25 ही थे?
हाँ, 20-25 नोट थे वो।
और ये कहाँ से मिले आपको?
सर इस तरफ से मिले थे यहाँ से।
अच्छा, ये नीचे जो कूड़े हैं वहाँ से मिले थे? तो उसके बाद और मिले?
नहीं, उतने ही मिले थे बस।
उतने ही मिले थे? उसके बाद और नहीं?
उसके बाद नहीं मिले।
So there you go, that he has collected 500 rupee debris from the area, from the NDMC area, because see, at this particular point, this is the area where they are claiming that they have collected the burnt 500 rupee notes. See, earlier we were showing you the visuals that how the burnt furniture were placed, but the cash were missing. But here the NDMC workers who are here, they have said that 4 to 5 days back, they have collected the burnt 500 rupee note from this particular area.
ये जले हुए नोट थे यहाँ पे। ये हम कूड़ा उठा रहे थे तो उसमें पूरा नोट जला हुआ था, बीच का हिस्सा बचा हुआ था सिर्फ। 500 के नोट थे।
अलग सा नहीं लगा कि भैया अब इतना बड़ा इलाका है?
नहीं, वो हमने भी सोचा, मैंने यहाँ किसी के घर में आग लगी होगी, उसके पैसे जल गए होंगे शायद। तो उसका कूड़ा यहाँ गिरा था, वो हम उठा रहे थे, उसमें से 500 के नोट निकल रहे थे जले हुए।
तो कितनी तादाद में होगा, कितना होगा?
वो ऐसे देखो ही मुश्किल से 20-25 नोट तो ऐसे थे और कुछ कूड़े में जा चुके थे। जो दिख रहे थे हमें वही उठा रहे थे हम।
तो आपको पता है कि किसका घर है?
ये तो पता नहीं सर किसका घर है, लेकिन ये हमें ये पता है कि यहाँ काम करते हैं हम, तो छोटी गुलाई में से ही कूड़ा यहाँ का गिरा है।
ओके।
We're breaking down the most stunning aspects of the story. And as the story unravels, we were forced to tell you about how there is a scandal that has rocked the judiciary. The scandal stems from the revelations of cash being found at a judge's house. We told you about the inquiry, and today we are breaking the biggest aspect of the story. Joining me on this broadcast, my colleagues Priyank Tripathi, Sabyasachi and Isha. Going back to Priyank. Priyank, once again, for viewers who are just joining us on this broadcast, tell us through how you put together this latest revelation that has come to the fore, because everything that we've found has come up in the last 1 hour. You spoke to the eyewitnesses. You are showing us the burned remnants of the cash. Take us through the full sequence of events as they unfolded.
See, Sagrika, it is not difficult for any investigator because since the last 2 decades I have been dealing with these kind of cases, and the moment I reached here, we were trying to find out that what has been documented, because an investigation need to be followed on the eyewitnesses account. By going by what Justice Yashwant Verma had stated in the statement which was recorded by Chief Justice of Delhi High Court, Justice Upadhyay, he said that the burned portion of the furniture has been kept in the corner. I could go there in the corner and it was Sati spotted there. Then we spotted the NDMC officials coming up to a dump yard which was right next to the residence of Justice Verma, and by casually talking to them, they started talking about that how they were shocked to see that there were burnt pieces of note, 500 rupees note, which was found. And the moment that big pile of garbage, the tree leaves were lifted by them, what we could see was certainly very much alarming, because over the period last 48 hours, the chief fire officer has been denying the fact that there was no note. But once the Supreme Court itself uploaded that particular chunk of the video, which was shared to the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court by the Delhi Police Commissioner Sanjay Arora, it was quite clear that there were bundles of notes which were spotted. On Friday itself, our editor-in-chief and group editor Navika Kumar also spoke about 50,000 rupees of cash which could have been burnt. So for a journalist, it was the basic thing, going to the spot, trying to find out and see what we have found.
Yes.
This is a note where you have the pictures of Gandhi, and very sad to see that what the Delhi police officers were also talking about is right on my, in my hands, where the burn face of Gandhiji can be clearly seen. That's why those officials from the Delhi Fire Services were talking to each other कि गांधीजी जल रहे हैं और किसी को परवाह नहीं हो रही है. So if the constitution is certainly at risk, if the constitutional right which are supposed to be provided to people by the members of eminent judicial fraternity is certainly at risk, how is it possible that the father of the nation's picture has been burned down, which is there on every note, and there were loads and loads of notes which was dumped inside this particular house, which is 30 Tughlaq Crescent Road. Although Justice Yashwant Verma has been saying that he was not present in the house,
and
but
Priyanka,
while
I want you
talking
to
about
stay with us because as you find the remnants of the burnt notes and as you show them to our viewers, let's take them back to that video. The first video of the burning cash that was made public by the Supreme Court through its probe report. In this video, like Priyank was also mentioning, you hear those present there who spotted this cash, the burning cash, you hear them say, "Arey dekho, Gandhi ji jal rahe hai." Let's play out that video.
महात्मा गांधी में आग लग रही है भाई. 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 महात्मा गांधी में आग लग रही है भाई.
We played that video repeatedly to show you what has been found. And like you heard, Mahatma Gandhi mein aag lag rahi hai. So one on your screens, the video that was made on the 15th when the first discovery of the burning cash was made after the fire incident that was reported at the judge's bungalow. And today, almost 9 days later, as more and more probe details come to the fore, our teams and reporters on the ground are showing you the remnants of those notes and more questions are only emerging. Let me go across to guests who are also joining us while asking our reporters to stay there to get you more live updates. We have Vikrant Pandey of the Allahabad High Court Bar Association. He's the secretary, and also KK Rai joining us this afternoon. Also Ripu Daman Shahi of the Audh Bar Association. Ripu Daman Shahi ji, आपके पास पहले आना चाहूंगी. आपका एक स्टेटमेंट देखा हम लोगों ने, Audh Bar Association का एक स्टेटमेंट देखा है. The Audh Bar Association has made it absolutely clear that if the judge is transferred to, courts in Uttar Pradesh, be it the Allahabad High Court or the Lucknow High Court, there will be a boycott. Can you explain why have you taken this stand and what else did you say in your statement?
I only clarified it because Lucknow High Court or Allahabad High Court are not two different high courts. But sometime under the pressure of Bar Association and Allahabad, the incumbents are posted at Lucknow. Therefore, we made it clear that we are not going to accept Yashwant Verma as one of the judge of this High Court.
Okay. And what is, now that the probe report is out, the preliminary probe report, you've seen the version that's coming in from Justice Yashwant Verma as well. We are showing, the video that was taken that day. Now we are also showing you pictures of the burnt notes that have been found from near the residence of Justice Verma. What are your first comments on the kind of action that has been taken?
We are considering the probe or any in-house inquiry as irrelevant because of the fact that there are three versions of the fire officer. First, he told that there was a cash recovery. Thereafter, he told that there was no cash recovery. Thirdly, he said that he never said that there was no cash recovery. Secondly, the version of the Supreme Court, first they said that the transfer of the Yashwant Verma has nothing to do with the cash recovery. Thereafter, they said the Collegium is still considering the transfer of Yashwant Verma. Now they have said that Yashwant Verma is not going to be transferred at High Court at Allahabad. His working is seized and there is an in-house inquiry. So then our question towards Supreme Court, towards Collegium and even towards the central government. Because till now, the central agencies should have taken over, they should have lost the FIR, they should have inquired into the matter, but till now, the central government has maintained a studied silence. We don't know.
So, Mr. Shahi, what are your demands? Because this is a story that has shaken the entire judiciary. The entire country is watching, and top legal eagles have said that if public's faith in the judiciary is shaken, then it means that their faith in democracy will also be shaken. So what are your demands now that these details come to the fore?
The earlier and prompt action in the matter would rather restore the confidence of the people in judiciary. जितना ही देरी होगी, जितना प्रोसीजरल टैक्टिस में इसको उलझाया जाएगा, इन हाउस इंक्वायरी कुछ नहीं कर सकती है, क्योंकि इन हाउस इंक्वायरी टेक्निकल चीजें हैं। नोट कहां से आया, नोट किसने दिया, नोट कैसे जला, इस सब चीजों की जांच सीबीआई या और कोई ही कर सकती हैं। और इसमें इन हाउस इंक्वायरी से कुछ बनने वाला नहीं है, लेकिन उनकी एक प्रक्रिया उसको कर सकते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पर पब्लिक कॉन्फिडेंस की बात है और इस सवाल को हम लोग बड़े स्तर पर उठाएंगे। वो सवाल तो बहुत पीछे चला गया कि जसवंत वर्मा यहाँ भेजे जाएंगे, हम उनका अपोज करेंगे। उनको अपोज करना वो सब बहुत पीछे सवाल छूट गया। अब हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि इस मैटर में कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई
की आप मांग कर रहे हैं रिपुदमन जी, लेकिन आपने आई एम श्योर जस्टिस वर्मा का भी पूरा डिफेंस देखा होगा। इट इज पार्ट ऑफ द 25 पेज रिपोर्ट। उन्होंने साफ तौर से इस पूरे कैश रिकवरी से पल्ला झाड़ लिया है। उन्होंने कहा उनका इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि जहां पे कैश रखा हुआ था वो एक आउट हाउस है विच इज एक्सेस बाय मेनी अदर पीपल। ही इज ऑल्सो गॉन अहेड एंड हैज सेड दैट दिस इज नथिंग बट अ कंस्पिरेसी टू मलाइन हिम। उनके वर्जन पे आपका क्या कहना है?
उनके वर्जन पर कहना है कि उनके वर्जन से ही मुझे हो गया कि कोई जांच की जरूरत नहीं है। उनके वर्जन से, दैट इज ओपन एंड शट केस। अब किस बात की जांच की जाएगी? जब उनका जवाब आ गया, यही उनका पॉसिबल जवाब होगा इंक्वायरी में भी, तो अब तो ये जांच होगा ना कि कहां से रुपए आए, किसने रखे। अब जसवंत वर्मा जी को किनारे कर दीजिए, अब तो रुपए का ट्रेल कहां से है, उसका सिस्टम कहां से है और कहां से पैसा आ रहा है, इसकी जांच होनी है। जसवंत वर्मा जी को आप घोषित कर दीजिए कि वो निरपराध है।
वापस आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगी, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग दैट द पीपल ऑफ दिस कंट्री एंड यू आर एकोइंग दैट सेंटिमेंट। आपको क्या लगता है इस पे सरकार को क्या स्टेप लेना चाहिए और लार्जली इस पे जुडिशरी को भी क्या कदम उठाने चाहिए?
इसमें सरकार को स्टेप ये लेना चाहिए था कि जो सीबीआई है इसको परमिशन मांगनी चाहिए वहां के चीफ जस्टिस से और इनके खिलाफ केस दर्ज करके इसकी जांच शुरू कर देनी चाहिए। इतना सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को करना था। बाकी कॉलेजियम को क्या करना था? कॉलेजियम के तो वर्जन ही अभी तक फिक्स नहीं हो पाए कि कॉलेजियम का वर्जन है क्या, वो ट्रांसफर हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे हैं, इन हाउस इंक्वायरी का उनके ट्रांसफर से लेना देना है कि नहीं है, उनके खिलाफ कोई जांच होनी थी या नहीं होनी थी। तो कॉलेजियम पर भी सवाल हैं, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पर सवाल हैं। अभी हम यशवंत वर्मा पर कोई सवाल नहीं कर रहे हैं।
Questions are that of accountability. Ripudaman Shahi ji, thank you so much for joining us. We also have Vikrant Pandey, Secretary of the Allahabad High Court Bar Association. Vikrant Pandey, the first statement that came out from the Allahabad High Court Bar Association was one of a stand where the Bar Association said that any kind of transfer of this judge to the Allahabad High Court will be opposed. We saw a subsequent statement also come in, but you've made your stand clear that the Allahabad High Court is not a trash bin. Now with the report out, now with the version of the judge out, what is your demand from the judges, from the collegium and from the government?
See, from the very beginning, we have only one demand. We are of the opinion that a private agency, a neutral agency like CBI, should probe into the matter and find out what is the actuality of the matter. Initially, some news from the media, we got it that some notes are recovered from the burnt room of the justice. Thereafter, a statement came that no such recovery was made. Thereafter, another statement was we received from the collegium that the transfer is a regular routine work. It has no relation with the said remnants of the notes. Thereafter, fire brigade stated that no recovery was found. Many statements. They from the very beginning, it seems that they are trying to end the procedure and the inquiry. इस पूरे प्रकरण को लीपा पोती करके इसके खत्म करने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है और कुछ नहीं, nothing else.
और आपकी मांग क्या है? What should happen at this point of time?
इसके हमारे तो हमेशा से यही है कि इनको छुट्टी पे भेज करके और सीबीआई की इंक्वायरी करवाई जाती. अगर सीबीआई से मतलब कोई भी न्यूट्रल एजेंसी, सीबीआई ही नहीं, इतना कैश जब बरामद होता है तो ईडी से कुछ इन्वॉल्व किया ही जाता है, लेकिन अभी तक ईडी का इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं हुआ है. ईडी चाहिए था कि ईडी चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया को एप्लीकेशन दे करके और इसमें प्रूफ के लिए डिमांड करती और वो पता करे ना. अब अभी तो आज वर्जन आ गया है ऑनरेबल जज का कि हम ये मेरा इससे कोई लेना ही देना नहीं है. व्हाट डज इट मीन? उनका कोई लेना देना अगर नहीं है, उनके बंगले में से पाया जा रहा है इतनी भारी मात्रा में नोट और उनका कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है.
Mr. Ripudaman Sahi and Vikrant Pandey. Mr. Pandey, only for the want of time I have to butt in and I have to thank you for joining us, but your demand is being echoed from multiple quarters. The demand today is that of higher transparency. If you are eminent members of bar associations from across the country, they're saying just one thing. There should be an agency probe, an independent agency probe into the entire matter. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us. With that, we'll have to take a short commercial break. We'll be back getting you more exclusives on the biggest scandal that has rocked the judiciary. Stay tuned to Times Now.